Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know, my name is Tania Das, and before I start the tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So today I'm gonna create a Durga Puja special makeup look, and you guys can see that I have worn a beautiful off-white and red saree. And I have done the base makeup already. I have done the foundation, concealer and contouring part, and also have done my eyebrows. So if you guys want to know how I create this look, please keep watching. And today I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette by Root Cosmetics, and this palette is called Too Much Drama. In this palette, you can have 18 eyeshadows. I have used this palette before as well, and I liked the formula. I mean, the shades were pretty much pigmented. And I'm gonna start with this shade right here and gonna apply it on my eyelid. Well, right now I'm applying a shade that matches with my skin tone, and I'm applying it all over my eyelids. And right now I'm gonna apply this brown shade onto my crease line. And here I'm using the eyeshadow brush by Real Techniques, and I'm just trying to blend it well so that I get the dimension. And right now I'm gonna apply this deeper brown shade on the outer corner to make it more intense. And right now I'm gonna apply the MAC Fix Plus to intensify the glitter shade. And right now I'm applying this golden glittery shade all over my eyelid. And I'm just trying to blend the shade well so that there's no harsh line in between these two shades. And right now I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm using a tiny brush here, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter, and I'm also applying the highlighter on my brow bones. And yes, I'm using the same highlighter by Makeup Revolution. And right now I'm applying the white kohl by Wet n Wild on my lower waterline to enhance the eye shape. And also I'm applying the black kohl by Plum Nature Studio on my upper waterline. And right now I'm gonna use this deeper brown shade again on my lower lash line. I'm gonna blend it very carefully so that the white kohl part doesn't get messed up. And right now I'm gonna apply this black shade on top of the brown shade, and I'm gonna mix it well to create a more dramatic look. Well guys, right now I'm gonna apply the eyeliner, and this is the Insta liner by Lakme in the shade black. And today I'm gonna do a sharp wing which is gonna look very neat and clean, and this is a matte liquid eyeliner. And right now I'm just thickening it up to get the dramatic look, and this eyeliner look is gonna look lovely with the Bengali traditional look. So I have applied the eyeliner on both of my eyes, and right now I'm applying the blush by Revlon in the shade Classy Coral, and I'm applying the blush on the apples of my cheeks, on my nose as well a little bit. And right now I'm applying the highlighter by Makeup Revolution, and this is the Pro Illuminate highlighter by Makeup Revolution. And if you guys are wondering, I'm using the fan brush by PAC Cosmetics, and I'm applying the highlighter on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, on my forehead, and also on my cupid's bow. Applying highlighter is one of my favorite parts while doing a makeup look. It makes me look so glowy. And right now I'm applying the mascara, and this is the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm applying 2 or 3 coats of mascara to make my lashes longer and thicker. And right now I'm applying the mascara on my lower lash line. Well, I have already applied the falsies, and this is such a gorgeous pair of falsies, guys. I got it from a local market, and this was cheap, pretty cheap, but it looks beautiful. Well, right now I'm gonna apply the lipstick by Too Faced in the shade Lady Balls, and I'm in love with this shade, guys. This is the perfect red color that every girl is gonna love, and the formula is amazing. It feels really soft on my lips, and the color is really gorgeous, and it really complements my skin tone. And this lipstick is my current favorite. You guys can see how gorgeous the shade is. Well, I have applied the bindi on my forehead. Bengali traditional look is incomplete without a bindi. Well, right now I'm gonna wear these chumkas. I got this from Nykaa. These chumkas feel heavy, but it really looks gorgeous. I mean, you can rock any ethnic look with these jhumkas. So guys, this is it for today's video. Enjoy the festival and stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you all soon guys in my next video. Bye bye.